Good morning to all my third sem automobile engineering department students. So I will move on to the next problem, that is serial number 5 of question bank. So before we solve, I will read out the problem. Please listen. Afterwards, in the description box, I will give all the values, or I mean the full question. I will post over in the description box. So please listen. The values of specific heats at a constant volume and a constant pressure of an ideal gas are 0.73 kilojoules per kg Kelvin and 0.98 kilojoules per kg Kelvin respectively. Find the value of a characteristic gas constant, full stop. If 1 kg of this gas is heated at a constant pressure from 25 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, estimate heat added, work done and change in internal energy. So it is also very easier problem. So it is very similar to the previous problem which I have solved. So let us write the given data. It is a problem number 5. The values of specific heats at a constant volume and constant pressure are given. Specific heat means it is a C. At a constant volume means CV. At constant pressure means it is CP. So let me write first CV. CV is equals to 0.73 kilojoules per kg Kelvin and CP it has 0.98 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Find the value of a characteristic gas constant. Characteristic gas constant is denoted by a letter capital R. Afterwards, if 1 kg of this gas is heated, mass of a gas which is taken for experiment is 1 kg of this gas is heated at a constant pressure. You make a note here. What kind of a process is taking place here? It is a constant pressure process. In a constant pressure process, we are supplying the heat. I mean, we can write the constant pressure process also. Constant pressure process. Constant pressure process it is. So heat is increased from T1 25 degrees Celsius to T2 200 degrees Celsius. So here capital T1 I can write 25 plus 273, it becomes 298 Kelvin, and with the help of this T2 I can write it as 200 plus 273, which will give you 473 Kelvin. Okay, this is a given data. So now we have to calculate what are all the unknown things. Unknown things also I can consider it as the given data here. Please note, estimate the heat supplied. Heat supplied from 1 to 2 process, work done during 1 to 2 process, and change in internal energy. Change in internal energy during 1 to 2 process. So let us solve this problem. Okay. As you know that first we have to calculate R. What is R? So very important. The first and foremost thing is to calculate R value. As you know, in solutions, R value. First I will solve R value. What is the expression for R with respect to Cp and Cv? As we have derived already the relationship between specific heats, two specific heats, that is Cp, Cv and characteristic gas constant R. That is Cp minus Cv is equals to R. R value will become 0.98 minus 0.73, which will give you 0.25 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Kilojoules per, let me check, 0.25 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. You make a note here, dear students, R should be always in joules per kg Kelvin. Therefore, this kilo, instead of in terms of kilo, I can write it as 0.25 into 10 raised to 3 joules per kg Kelvin. In the PV is equals to MRT equation, this value of R should be always in joules per kg Kelvin. Why? Because suppose if you substitute the value of pressure as Newton per meter square volume as meter cube, which is equals to mass in kg. R, if I keep R value as it is, temperature in Kelvin, then what happens? Meter square and meter will get cancelled. Newton's meter will be remaining. Okay, divided by kg and Kelvin. Kg upon Kelvin, which is equals to R. Here R is equals to what? R is equals to Newton's meter upon kg Kelvin. Newton's meter square into meter cube. Meter cube will get cancelled and m is remaining here. M is remaining, and on the right hand side kg and Kelvin is present. So R, if you want to get the unit of R, then what you have to do? Shift this kg and Kelvin on denominator side, so that R is equals to what? Newton's meter divided by kg Kelvin. And here kg Kelvin will be kept as it is. Instead of writing 1 Newton meter, I can write it as a 1 joules. 1 Newton's meter is equals to 1 joules. Therefore 1 joules per kg Kelvin. So this is how we can write the general or unit of characteristic gas constant R when we want to substitute in PV is equals to MRT. So or otherwise you can write as it is. So this can be rewritten it as 250 joules per kg Kelvin. So this is the one value which we have got. Afterwards we have to calculate the second one, that is heat supplied 1 to 2 is equals to m into C into T2 minus T1. See, I have not written here C. What we have to take? Since it is a constant pressure process, therefore I have to take it as Cp only. So mass is given as, what is the value of mass? 1 into Cp is given as 0.98. Temperature are also given 473 and 298. 473 minus 298. So totally, if you substitute these values in the calculator, you can get the answer very easily. I am getting the answer 171.5. 171.5 kilojoules. So this is the value. You can keep this kilojoules. Why? Because while substituting the value of Cp, the unit of Cp is kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Therefore, we will keep heat supplied as a kilojoules only. So afterwards, we shall move on to the next, that is work done. Work done. What is the expression for work done? Work done is equals to mr into T2 minus T1. These are all common expressions which repeatedly you will see again in the next unit, that is loss of perfect gases. Okay. Sorry, thermodynamic processes on gases like constant volume process, constant temperature, constant pressure, adiabatic, isentropic, reversible, irreversible process. All these you will see in the unit 3, and at the same time you have to remember these expressions also. So let us substitute the value of m as 1, R value is taken as a 250 and it is 473 minus of 298. So what is the value of work done 1 to 2? Work done during a 1 to 2 process, I am getting 43.75. 43.75 kilojoules. So this is the value. And fourth one we have to calculate internal energy. So internal energy, so this relationship you know, T2 minus T1. So m into C into T2 minus T1. How did you get this equation? I have told you, I have explained you in Joule's law. In the Joule's law, what happens? Internal energy is directly proportional to its change in temperature. I mean, if temperature is increasing, definitely internal energy also increases. If the temperature is decreasing, its internal energy also decreases. So with the help of that relationship, we can get m into C into T2 minus T1. I have written C. So what we have to substitute? Whether it is C or CP, CP or CV. Definitely it is CP. Why? Because the system is a constant pressure system. System is constant pressure system. Therefore, constant pressure system is, if I take a piston and cylinder arrangement where pressure we can maintain constant. If the temperature increases, definitely pressure increases. If a pressure increasing, piston will expand. I mean, piston will reach to its another end to expand the value or to increase the value. So here I will substitute the value of 1 mass as 1 Cp. Cp is 0.98 into 473 minus 298. 473 minus 298. So calculate the value. 0.98 into Cp. What is the value of Cp here? Cp is one minute, let me check. So you can get this answer, okay, or otherwise there is one more method to calculate the value of du, that is work done 1 to 2 plus du 1 to 2, and here heat supplied is 171.5 is equals to work done is 43.75 plus du. Therefore du is equals to 171.5 minus of 43.75. So what we are getting? Du as 1 minute. One 27.45 kilojoules. I did not use that value. 127.75 something they are getting. So you can make a note here. This value du for constant pressure or constant volume process, we have to take it as CV only. We have to take it as CV, therefore you can substitute the value as 0.73. Internal energy, we have to take it as a constant multiplied by CV. Okay, therefore we have to take 0.73. Therefore you are getting the answer 127.45. So in any one of these two methods you can use to get the value of du. So this is how we can solve this problem very easily. It is totally 10 marks question. So please practice this and be perfect in solving this. So thank you very much.